So I went on Amazon and I bought a drill bit kit. This is the kit that has arrived. Let us look what's inside. This is a kit by BOSCH. If you look at there, it's by BOSCH. Okay, and there are about 30 pieces inside. It's just not only the drill bits that are there, but there are other pieces of hardware in there too. Okay, you get to see the drill bits right up there. You've got the wall bits, you've got the metal bits and the wood bits. Yeah, that's those three there. Screwdriver heads that are there, and then countersink. So countersink, and this is a holder for all of these. Even the countersink actually gets into that. Let me just give you a small demo of it. So this is the holder, this is the countersink. It goes in there, and this part is attached to the drill, and you could countersink with this, or you could attach any of these screwdriver tips. Okay, let's take this out. For example, this one kit, you can put it in there, and there you go. You're able to use this as a screwdriver on a drill machine. The build quality is pretty decent. It's made of hard steel, I feel. Pretty sturdy, very nice quality. Even the bits are pretty nice. They're pretty hard. Looks durable to me. They go from I think the first. Okay, let me show this as a picture so that you get to see all of them. Okay, go from 4, 5, 6, 7. Those are the wall bits. Then for the metal bits, you've got 1.5 onward till I think 6.8. 6.5, sorry, 6.5. And then you've got the wood bits going from 4 till 8. I think this is a regular, I mean, it's not a special kit in the sense it's a kit that can be used for regular use. Yeah, it's for regular use. And let me show you the pricing also, so you get to see what exactly I have paid. Okay, I'll show you both of them side by side, so you get to see what exactly I have paid for. Okay, you see down there. Okay, right here you've got the price, 649, and here you get to see 796. This is what I paid for from Amazon, and this is the actual price on the box. So yeah, I saved about 150 rupees by buying directly from Amazon instead of going to a store and buying it. And trust me, this is pretty good plastic. It's made to last. I'm sure this will not break so easily. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.